Literally that, like the rubbing of the fingernails or whatever, it's literally a practice.
For those of you who didn't get a chance to look at that video, go ahead and take a look at it, watch it thoroughly, and do not judge it. But we're going to go ahead and have a talk today about what this girl is saying and the other details with it. You guys, I have been working with the Hindu pantheon for about 8 years now. I have called upon Brahma, Shiva, Parvati, Kali, Ganesha. I've called upon many, many deities that are known in the Hindu pantheon. And one thing I will tell you is I've never, ever done a ritual that involves my nails and anything that has to do with nails. I've never done a ritual with the Hindu pantheon that has to do with that. And nor has any god or goddess from that pantheon ever asked me to do something like that. We have a big problem in this world that we attribute Hindu deities to demons, but yet what we don't understand as other Christians, as other witches, as whatever it may be, is that why are we judging the Hindu pantheon? Why are we judging the Hindu people in general? Why? Why would we say that that's what they're doing? Can you imagine kids seeing a video like what this person just put up in India, and they're raised their whole life thinking that, you know what, this is God, this is what we're going to do, and then they get told that. What is that person going to do? That person's going to rebel against divinities. Okay, they're not demons. They're divinities that serve a purpose on this earth by helping children, men, and women get through suffering. I usually don't comment about this, but I'm tired of Christians coming around and mocking other deities just because they're demons. Do you know why they appear to you as a demon? Because that's all you can think. You're a Christian, but all you think about is hell and Lucifer and Satan. You're a Christian, but all you can think about is how you're going to go to heaven and how everybody else gets condemned because, oh, well, you saw Satan way before I did. But yet you were the one watching him and listening to him and talking with him your whole lifetime. There's no need for any of this to happen. Yoga is not a problem. Yoga is very good for you. No, I don't do yoga, otherwise I'd be way more stretchier. And yes, you can use yoga in meditation to call upon demons, angels, fairies, dragons, whatever it is you need, you can call upon it. But as long as you're trying to just stretch your hamstrings, I think you'll be okay. Dragon Trinity, check it out. Love you guys.